Every home has its quirks. From angled walls and narrow openings to unusual ceiling heights and mixed architectural styles, not all spaces are designed for standard window solutions. These challenges can make it difficult to bring in natural light, maintain comfort, or preserve a cohesive design. For homeowners in Washington, custom windows offer an effective way to solve unique wall and layout challenges while enhancing both functionality and style. Why standard windows don't always work. Many homes include spaces where standard window sizes simply don't fit. Hallways, stairwells, additions, and rooms with structural limitations often leave little room for traditional window designs. In Washington homes, these areas can feel dark or closed off if the window solution isn't thoughtfully planned. Custom windows allow homeowners to work around these limitations rather than compromise on comfort or appearance. Making the most of narrow or awkward wall sections. Narrow wall sections can be difficult to utilize effectively. Installing a standard window may not be possible without altering surrounding features. Custom windows can be sized precisely to fit these areas. Washington homeowners often use custom designs to bring light into tight spaces without disrupting the room's layout or flow. Working with angled walls and sloped ceilings. Homes with sloped ceilings or angled walls present a unique set of challenges. Standard rectangular windows may not align with these features. Custom windows allow for shapes and proportions that match the architecture. In Washington residences, this ensures that windows enhance the home's design rather than appear forced or out of place. Enhancing light in previously overlooked spaces. Certain areas of the home are often overlooked when it comes to natural light. Staircases, entryways, and interior corridors can remain dark throughout the day. Custom windows help Washington homeowners introduce daylight into these spaces. By tailoring window size and placement, light can be brought in without affecting privacy or structure. Preserving interior layout flexibility. Windows influence where furniture can be placed and how rooms are used. Poorly positioned windows can limit layout options. Custom windows allow homeowners in Washington to place windows where they enhance the room rather than restrict it. This flexibility supports better furniture placement and more functional living spaces. Supporting consistent design across the home. Homes with additions or remodels often feature mismatched windows. This can disrupt the visual flow from room to room. Custom windows help Washington homeowners maintain a consistent look throughout the property. Window sizes, shapes, and proportions can be matched to existing features for a cohesive design. Improving comfort without structural changes. Altering walls or structural elements to fit standard windows can be costly and disruptive. Custom windows offer a solution that improves light and comfort without major structural changes. Washington homeowners can enhance their homes while preserving original layouts. Adding architectural interest with purpose. Custom windows aren't just functional, they can also serve as design features. Unique shapes or placements add character to a home. In Washington homes, custom windows often become focal points that elevate interior and exterior appearance while solving practical challenges. Long-term value through thoughtful design. Homes that address layout challenges thoughtfully tend to age better. Custom solutions often feel intentional and well integrated. Washington homeowners benefit from windows that continue to serve their purpose effectively as the home evolves over time. A smart solution for complex spaces. Every home deserves light, comfort, and thoughtful design, no matter how complex the layout. For homeowners in Washington, custom windows solve unique wall and layout challenges by fitting precisely where standard options fall short. By enhancing light, preserving design flexibility, and improving comfort, custom windows help create homes that feel brighter, more functional, and intentionally designed from room to room.